Surprisingly, even people with flat abs have some belly fat. That's quite typical. However, belly fat has a different effect on your health than other types of fat. Here are 5 tips that can help you to burn all your belly fat fast. 1. Do not drink a lot of alcohol. In modest doses, alcohol can be beneficial to your health, but if you drink too much, it can be dangerous. According to research, drinking too much alcohol can cause you to grow belly fat. Heavy alcohol intake is linked to a dramatically higher risk of developing central obesity or excess fat accumulation around the waist, according to observational research. Reducing your alcohol consumption may help you lose weight. You don't have to completely give it up, but limiting how much you drink in a single day can help. 2. Avoid too much of sugary foods. When sugar is ingested in excess, it contains fructose, which has been related to a number of chronic disorders. Heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and fatty liver disease are among them. Observational studies have found a link between excessive sugar consumption and increased belly fat. It's crucial to remember that belly obesity can be caused by more than just excessive sugar. Even healthier sweets like real honey should be used in moderation. 3. Running. Running is a high-intensity aerobic activity that can help you lose weight and burn tummy fat. It engages multiple muscles at once and necessitates muscle resistance, all while increasing physical stamina and cardiorespiratory endurance. All of this contributes to a faster metabolism, which activates fat burning. 4. Drink a lot of water. Make sure you have enough water to flush those toxins out. This will give you both a beautiful complexion and a flat stomach. Drinking water does not just imply consuming liters of water every day, but also consuming healthful beverages such as antioxidant-rich green teas and fresh vegetable and fruit juice. 5. Go for abdominal muscles workout. If you're looking for a quick way to lose belly fat, put abdominal muscles training in your ways to shrink belly list. So this happens 3 times a week. 3 sets of 20 repetitions of crunches and leg raises should be completed. Planks are also a good exercise to practice. Hold your body in a push-up position on your elbows for 30 to 60 seconds for 4 sets. Conclusion: there are no magic solutions to losing belly fat. Weight loss always requires some effort, commitment, and perseverance on your behalf. Successfully adopting some or all of the strategies and lifestyle goals discussed in this article will definitely help you lose the extra pounds around your waist.